If you're selling on Amazon and not using SmartScout, you're literally leaving money on the table. And today, I'm going to show you how to unlock powerful product research tools and get 25% off automatically. No code needed. Let's be real. Finding winning products on Amazon is hard. You're guessing, you're wasting hours, and worst of all, you're competing blindly without real data. That's exactly why most sellers fail. This is where SmartScout completely changes the game. It's one of the most advanced tools out there for product research, competitor analysis, brand tracking, and finding hidden opportunities. Basically, it gives you the data that top sellers use to dominate Amazon. And here's the best part. If you use my link in the description, you get 25% off automatically. No coupon code, no extra steps. Just click the link and the discount is already applied. Now listen carefully, because this is important. SmartScout has multiple plans, but if you're serious about making money, you need the business plan. Here's why. With the business plan, you get full access to all features, advanced brand analytics, deep competitor insights, massive product database access, and the ability to make faster, smarter decisions. The lower plans are limited. You'll hit restrictions quickly, and that slows you down. But the business plan gives you everything you need to scale fast. Think about it. One winning product can make you hundreds, or even thousands. So investing in the right tool is not an expense. It's a shortcut to profits. And with 25% off, this is literally the best time to start. So here's what you do next. Click the link in the description, get your 25% discount automatically, and go for the business plan if you're serious. Start finding winning products today, and I'll see you in the next one.